The big day, we are 1 year younger. Share a really quick birthday haul.
So our name is Ethereal.
So we are here at Kicking Cajun in Northridge. Today is the big day. We are 1 year younger. Decided on Kicking Cajun. It's like a family favorite. Dad, my mom, Darren. Chicken mix with quail eggs, Jonathan's favorite, and some potatoes. Thank you. And gloves. Must. But look at all this. Wow. Oh. Just finished getting ready. I'll show you guys today's outfit, and I really like the way how today's makeup turned out. Friday vlogged a little bit because I was so hungry. Actually, all of us were hungry. We didn't vlog yesterday because I was just at home. There was some work that needed to be submitted. That was basically yesterday. Today, my mom and I are about to head out, but I wanted to share a really quick birthday haul. Some of these are PR, some are birthday gifts from Bloomingdale's. I had the gift card for months. Took me forever to actually to purchase something, and I really wanted to try this. The Benefit, the Professional Super Setter. It's a long-lasting makeup setting spray. It's supposed to give you like that poreless look. I don't really hear too many people talking about this, so hopefully it's a good product.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Ren.
See you later.
See you later. I'm going back upstairs in a second. It's from Skin Proud. Have been really enjoying their skincare products. Really affordable. Mentioned a couple of them in the monthly favorites video. 100% vegan and cruelty-free recharge serum, overnight 0.5 retinol serum, and their packaging aesthetically pleasing. Skin Proud Sleep Hero overnight sleep mask with balancing niacinamide. So pretty. Skin Proud Unplug Pore Detox Clay Mask. Oh, my pores definitely need this. Had the biggest blackhead on my nose, which finally dissolved because of the Skin Proud products. Thank you so much to Skin Proud for sending over these goodies. Finally decided to kind of up the fragrance collection, and this is all from Sephora. We have a sample of the Clean Reserve the Eau de Parfum, Replica Mason Margiela When the Rain Stops. Ooh. Have you guys smelled any of these fragrances from Mason Margiela? Because they are super pricey. I believe they're also unisex. The birthday gift from Ilya, Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. How cute, it's so tiny. Ooh, it smells good. Maybe we should throw this in the purse for today. Their mascara. Very long time since I've purchased a Marc Jacobs perfume, and this one had pretty good reviews. The Daisy Love Oh So Sweet. Ooh. That does smell good. Okay, I can see why this thing was pretty much sold out in the smaller size, because it smells sweet. Daytime summer fragrance. The other one I really wanted to try out, but the reviews were kind of mixed on Sephora, and I also watched some review videos on YouTube. And this is the Marc Jacobs Perfect Eau de Parfum. Some people are like, it doesn't smell like anything. Others were saying that it smells really good. It's not overly strong. Look at the bottle. Cute little bottle. Oh, okay. Yes, it is. It's very light. That's light. That actually smells pretty good. Clean, sweet, with a hint of floral fragrance. It's not like bam in your face. Those were two good choices from Marc Jacobs. Brand called Reserve. Organic blue spirulina, plant-based superfood, 100% natural, vibrant blue color, may help with memory and gut health, powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Vanilla matcha. Yes, the Reserve Beauty Balm Skin, Hair, and Nails. Share with you the purse, the little tote that I've been wearing. This is from my mother-in-law. It's from Kate Spade. It's the mini Ella tote. Super, super adorable. It has a strap. It just added the little pom-pom. Love how it also has a zipper. It does hold a lot of products. The nice thing about this is that it's tapered at the bottom, then it gets wider at the top. Really soft, and it has that textured material. It's a very, very... Darren! My husband ended up getting me one, which is a little out of my comfort zone, but it is still in the family of pinks. But it's that nice pop of color for the summertime. And it's the same Ella tote, but in this bright pink. Hopefully it's not looking red because it is definitely a true hot pink. Such an adorable small little tote. This would be cute, say if you're wearing like white or cream, you know, and you want a pop of color to your outfit. This is like that small little go-to bag. Here is today's fit. Very summer appropriate, even though it's not summer yet. So we have the Kate Spade tote bag, the sage green dress, just paired it with the sandals from Steve Madden. Also testing out a strapless bra. We're gonna see how it goes. Sticky bras in hot weather do not mix. Share with you a full review. We gotta head out. Let's go.
God, that sounded rude, but you guys know the deal, okay? We really love you and you're special to us. So thank you for coming. So we've been working on this brand really hard and meeting like no other. It's definitely been a really big challenge despite being in social media or whatever. It's 100% different than anything that we have ever done. Yeah, a lot of times of, wow, this is really hard, but we really love this. And it's all just about passion and hard work and putting out a brand that we want Lux for all, and our main thing is to not lead with greed, but still have quality. Yeah. So our name is Ethereal, and for the definition, it's extremely delicate and light in a way that seems too perfect for this world. That's about right. Another one is no more. Then we're like, no more. No more from the girls. So some of our favorite pieces that we like for our earrings that are different than what you usually see, we have some micro studs. So they're very, very, very tiny, that you can still combine both together, but they're a really great accent piece. So they come in a moon, a star, and a heart. They're so tiny. They're very adorable. Star, moon, heart.
Is there a time when it's going on sale?
June 21st.
But the
first
time,
day. Oh, 10 a.m. We're thinking of 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Gotcha.
Yes. I like that.
Yeah, back home, I don't think I really vlogged too much because my mom and I were both just mingling. We had such a great time. Thank you so much, Lizzie and Journey, for inviting us to the launch of Ethereal Jewelry. I'll make sure to leave all the information down below. Definitely want to check it out when it launches June 21st. Their jewelry pieces, beautiful, dainty, delicate. I mean, the whole line, because this is their first collection, so my vibe. You could layer the necklaces, stack the rings, the bracelets. A lot of these pieces will definitely sell out. I'm hoping to get a hold of a few of the items. Even my mom wants me to order, I think, one of the bracelets for her. Gifted everybody a goodie bag. Congratulations, Lizzie and Journey. Wishing you guys so much success. I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit because I made a mess downstairs, but I wanted to also vlog my mom a bit because I don't think I even vlogged her today. Did you have fun today?
Oh yes, I had fun today because all of the ladies in that party were party people.
Yeah.
They were funny, they were friendly, and they love to have a good time.
Yeah, we had a fun time. Yeah. Thank you, Mom, for going.
You're welcome. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, Lizzie and Journey, for inviting my mom and I. I know my mom had a she really enjoyed.
All of a sudden, I had 16 children. They all called me mom.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because most likely we are going to watch an anime right now. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Comment below what you guys ended up doing. Thank you as always so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful week, and we will see you in the next vlog.